Apple fans, mark your calendars. The official announcement of the iPhone 15 series is just around the corner. Based on Apple's historical patterns, we expect the grand unveiling to take place in early to mid-September 2023. That means we can anticipate the official reveal on Tuesday, September 12, 2023, with the iPhones hitting the stores on Friday, September 22nd. Now, let's dive into what you've all been waiting for, the iPhone 15 models. Just like the previous generation, the iPhone 15 series will consist of 4 models, each catering to different needs and preferences. Starting with the entry-level model, we have the iPhone 15, sporting a sleek 6.1-inch display and equipped with 2 rear cameras. Moving up the ladder, we have the larger iPhone 15 Plus, featuring a spacious 6.7-inch screen and an enhanced battery life. Both models will keep the lightning-fast performance you love. But wait, there's more. Apple has some tricks up its sleeve with the Pro versions. The iPhone 15 Pro will come with a powerful new chip and an impressive triple camera setup, bringing your photography skills to a whole new level. And for all you photography enthusiasts, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will make history as the first iPhone ever to feature a periscope-type telephoto camera. Pricing. While the exact figures are yet to be confirmed, we have some insight into what to expect. Reports indicate that Apple might increase the prices for the Pro models, and there's even speculation that the vanilla models could see a slight price bump as well. The introduction of advanced hardware components, such as the new titanium frame and the periscope zoom lens, could be the driving force behind these price adjustments. Based on the information we have so far, we anticipate the following price ranges for the iPhone 15 series in the United States. The iPhone 15 starting from $800 or $850. The iPhone 15 Plus starting from $900 or $950. The iPhone 15 Pro starting at $1,099 for the 256 GB version. The iPhone 15 Pro Max starting at $1,199 for the 256 GB version. Beyond the hardware upgrades, there are plenty of exciting software features and anticipated improvements to look forward to in the iPhone 15 series. With iOS 17, the latest operating system, Apple has enhanced apps like Phone, Messages, and FaceTime. You can expect features like Contact Poster, which displays your profile picture during calls, and Name Drop, allowing easy contact sharing by bringing 2 iPhones nearby. Plus, we have improved autocorrect and an innovative standby mode that turns your iPhone into a mini home hub while charging. As we wrap up our guide to the potential specs, features, and pricing of the iPhone 15, we can't help but feel the excitement building. With the release just around the corner, it's clear that Apple has once again raised the bar for smartphone innovation. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the exciting world of the upcoming iPhone 15. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates, rumors, and reviews. Stay tuned and get ready to embrace the future with the iPhone 15. See you next time.